Liposuction is one of the most commonly performed cosmetic procedures in the United States. The ideal candidate is physically fit and eats well-balanced meals, but is unable to reduce fatty deposits in certain areas of the body. Great progress has been made in new procedures to help people reduce areas of stored fat. As Dr. Marcia Byrd's specialty, Byrd Aesthetic Anti-Aging Center offers many different types of liposuction procedures.
I have been coming to see Dr. Byrd for about 10 years now. First came to her, I read about a treatment called mesotherapy in a magazine, and they talked about it, and it was a way of reducing fat, tummy fat, and that kind of thing. Even though you're a thin person, a lot of times exercise will not get it, and I've always exercised, could never get it off. And she was the only one in town at the time that was doing it, so I came to see her. I was not real fond of the procedure, and at one point she suggested, why don't we try tumescent liposuction? She said, you have it done once, it's done, it's quick, it's easy. We did it one day, and I drove myself home, drove myself back to the office the next day. It was fabulous. There was no downtime. I just loved it, and I would tell everybody about it, and they just didn't believe me that there was no pain, no downtime, nothing. And the belly was gone, and it was wonderful.
Byrd Aesthetic and Anti-Aging Center introduces Smartlipo, the first laser lipolysis system to offer a revolutionary and minimally invasive procedure for the removal of fat. Smartlipo is ideal for treating small cosmetic areas such as the face, neck, arms, breasts, and areas of loose skin. During the procedure, a small cannula containing a laser fiber is inserted into the skin. As the cannula is moved back and forth, it delivers the laser's energy directly into fat cells, causing them to rupture and easily be drained away. The laser coagulates small blood vessels on contact, resulting in less bleeding, swelling, and bruising, and a quicker recovery time than conventional liposuction. The laser energy also interacts with the dermis and stimulates collagen, resulting in a gradual and natural skin tightening. Because the cannula is so small, Smartlipo can be performed under local anesthesia. Rest is recommended after the procedure, and activity may be resumed gradually. Follow-up appointments with Dr. Byrd will be scheduled to monitor progress. Results can be seen as soon as a week with continued improvement over several months. Smartlipo is a great addition to other soft beautification procedures. However, it is not a replacement for conventional liposuction. It works extremely well in combination with the Aqualipo procedure. Only one treatment is usually required for most patients. A session may last from 45 minutes to 1 hour for each area treated. Aqualipo is a revolutionary liposuction treatment that uses the gentle power of water to wash away fat. The procedure works by flushing fat from the body using the Body Jet fat removal system.
The most recent procedure I had done was liposuction for my midsection. I did the Aqualipo. That was something that had interested me for years and years because the area of my body that seems to collect fat and not get rid of it is my midriff. And even though I exercised and kept my weight at a nice point, I still couldn't get rid of that fat in the middle, and I had a little muffin top that hung over my jean, so now that's gone. I notice it most in jeans because I like to wear knit tops, and that's something I haven't been able to do for a while. In fact, this is something I had before lipo, and it covers up the midsection. Now I can not have to wear the loose-fitting clothes on top because I feel like it looks really nice, and I'm looking forward to swimsuit season where I don't have to worry about, again, covering up the midsection, holding my stomach in so much all the time. So I think I'm very pleased with it. I'm excited to be able to show it now.
The procedure takes about 30 to 45 minutes for each area treated. With no need for general anesthesia, Aqualipo offers better results with less patient discomfort, resulting in less medical risk, less bruising and swelling, and less downtime than traditional liposuction.
When I did the lipo, I had read about all the different lipos, and this procedure finally seemed to be one that was easy enough with no downtime. I was really looking for no downtime, and so I was still nervous about it, but it was as easy as I read about. I was up that day. In fact, I went with 2 friends up to my lake house and spent the night. We went shopping the next day. It was right before Christmas, which I was a little concerned about how my energy level would be and if any of this would be an issue, and it wasn't. It was like it never happened other than the fat's gone. So I'm very pleased with it.
Dr. Byrd frequently combines two of the most advanced liposuction technologies, Smartlipo laser lipolysis with Aqualipo. This results in superior contouring and skin tightening with dramatically less bruising and swelling. During this process, Smartlipo laser lipolysis delivers energy to targeted areas, dissolving fat cells while promoting tissue tightening. Once the fat is destroyed by the Smartlipo laser, it is then gently flushed from the body by the BodyJet water-assisted liposuction system, a process that avoids the more aggressive actions of conventional liposuction. The Aqualipo and Smartlipo laser combo is ideal for treating excess fat in the face, neck, arms, breast, tummy, thighs, knees, back, and buttocks. This procedure is not for those who are severely overweight or obese. Instead, patients should be within 25 pounds of their goal weight and in good health. Because of the way the laser interacts with the dermis during treatment, the body will continue to produce new, tighter collagen in the following months. This procedure permanently destroys fat cells in the treated areas, giving patients long-lasting results.